Hello everyone, this is Jessica from Evangel. It's been a long time haven't seen you guys. Today a Hyundai crawler excavator HX60N is going to start its voyage at sea. Let's go and have a look. As you can see, we are already at our Shanghai warehouse now. In front of us is our main character today, Hyundai 6-ton mini excavator HX60N. It is from Hyundai's latest HX series excavators, which have many advantages such as high working efficiency, environmental protection, and easy to operate. The standard bucket capacity of it is 0.21 cubic meters, and the operating weight of this machine is 5,700 kilograms. Its engine is from our famous brand Yanmar, and its rated power is 48.5 horsepower, which gives a stronger power for our customers to complete their works. Here is the cab of the machine. The adjustable L suspension seat provides the driver a more comfortable and safe operation space, and the smart operation buttons, storage boxes, and other facilities in the cab also brings a lot of convenience when working. If you are interested to know more details about our Hyundai machines, please feel free to contact me. See you next time. Bye!